Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me for another online yoga practice. On the 25th of January, we celebrate the full wolf moon. So this is going to be held in the sign of Leo. And with all that wolf energy, that lion energy, and the energy of the moon, we're going to have a little bit of momentum behind our intentions and our goals. So up until this point, we've been building steady foundations in order to build. Now we may notice some action points actually beginning to take place. So our movement is going to be fluid, dynamic, building that internal heat. And we're also going to include some lovely heart openers, hip openers to embody the courage and loyalty of that Leo energy. If you wanted to bring along any complementary practices, you can bring along some black onyx, citrine or yellow jasper crystals would be really nice to complement this. And for oils, maybe orange or cinnamon essential oil would be really nice for this one. I hope you have a wonderful transition through the lunar cycles, and I'm wishing you a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste. Okay, everybody, welcome to our wolf full moon in Leo practice, where we're really looking to cultivate that fire, energy, passion, motivation that come along with the wolf energy, the lion energy, and also the qualities of courage, loyalty, and our heart-opening gratitude as well. So we're going to start today just allowing the eyes to close, bringing some awareness to the breath. Notice if we're holding any tension through the shoulders and the jaw, and just let those areas soften. During the cooler months, where there is a natural tendency for more lethargy, heaviness, relaxation, this yoga practice is going to be a spark, a boost to help kickstart that internal flame, that power, the power of the wolf, the power of the Leo energy. And so just let that image rest within your mind's eye, embodying the wolf. And at the same time, feeling a warmth spreading, radiating from your heart space. And then we're going to interlace our fingers behind our back, squeeze the shoulder blades together. And then just bring the fists over towards the right hip. Let the right elbow tuck in, and you can release the left ear down towards the left shoulder. Bring your chin to your chest, squeeze the shoulder blades behind you. Bring your fists over towards your left hip, hug the left elbow in, right ear down towards your right shoulder. Chin to chest, squeeze the arms, lift your chin and release, rolling over and coming onto hands and knees. Wrists under your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Inhaling into cow. Exhaling into cat. 2 more rounds. Inhale to a neutral spine. And bring your left toes to the back of the mat. Bring your right shin to the right as you reach the left fingertips up and press the left heel down. Inhale to reach those left fingertips towards the front of the room. And then stay here, or as you exhale, take a little crunch, knee to elbow tap, pushing through the right hand. Inhale, extend. Exhale, tap. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, extend. And then as we exhale, bring your left palm under your left shoulder. Inhale to cow pose. Exhale to cat. Inhale, neutral spine, bring your right toes back, kick your left shin to the left as the right heel presses down, reach those right fingertips up. Inhale, reach the right arm alongside the right ear. Stay there, or as you exhale, knee to elbow, tap, extend as we inhale. Tap, inhale, extend. Exhale, tap. Inhale, extend. Exhale, tap. And inhale, extend. As you exhale, bring yourself back to tabletop. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat. Coming into heart melting, walk your hands forward. Forehead, chin, or chest release down to the earth. Option to tent your fingers, adding a bit more resistance through the backs of the arms. Then keep your right hand where it is, palm flat. Slide your left arm underneath your right. Bring your left arm forward as we inhale. Exhale. Slide your right underneath your left. Inhale, heart melting pose. Exhale, walk your hands back, tuck your toes into downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up and back. As you exhale, bend the right knee. Step the right foot through to the space between the hands. Inhale into crescent lunge. As we exhale, open into warrior two. On your next inhalation, flip the palms, reverse the warrior. Exhale. Warrior two. Inhale, extend the right leg. Exhale, triangle pose. Stay there, or inhale, bend your right knee, bring your right fingertips forward, half moon. Inhale, exhale, bend the right knee, land in warrior two. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, plant the hands. Inhale, step back to plank. And exhale, find your flow. Lowering down. And then into your back bend and back to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up and back. Exhale, step your left foot through. Inhale into crescent lunge. Exhale into warrior two. Inhale, flip the palms, reverse the warrior. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, straighten through the left leg.
And as we exhale, reach forwards into triangle pose. Stay there, or bend the left knee. Make your way into half moon. Take a breath in. Exhale, bend your left knee. Warrior two. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, plant the hands. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath in. Take a breath out. Inhale, lift the right leg up and back. Exhale, step through. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, triangle pose. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhale, half moon. Exhale, standing splits. Option to bring your right hand to your right calf. Maybe left hand towards your right calf. Hands to the waist as we inhale, rise with a generous bend through the left knee. Cross your left ankle over your right thigh for standing pigeon. Option to cross your left ankle to the knife edge of the right foot, left foot towards your right hip crease and sink down low, or move into toe balance, bending that knee, sitting the hip to the heel with your palms maybe to the floor or together at the center of your heart. Hands to the floor, straighten through the right leg. Rise up to standing. Bring your left knee through center and see if you can land through warrior three into runner's lunge. Inhale, step back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. And exhale, downward facing. Take a breath in. Take a breath out. Inhale, lift your left leg up and back. Exhale, step through. Inhale, rise into crescent. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, triangle pose. Take a breath in. Take a breath out. Inhale into half moon. Exhale into standing splits. Maybe bringing your left hand towards your left calf. Maybe bringing your right hand towards your left calf. And then bring the hands to the waist with a bend through the right knee. Rise up. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh for standing pigeon. Flex those toes back and sink the hips low. Option Knee towards your shoulder, bring the knife edge of the right foot towards the left hip crease. Either bend down low from there or over a straight leg fold, bending into the left knee. Bring the left heel towards the left sit bone. Half, full prayer. Bring the hands to the floor, straighten through the left leg. Inhale, rise. Bring the right knee through center. And then as you exhale, see if you can come through Warrior 3. And then land in Runner's Lunge. Inhale to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. And exhale, downward facing. So hopefully feeling your heart opening, you're energizing the body through challenging balance, your hips are open. Again, really cultivating that internal fire, the power of the wolf, the power of the Leo energy. Opening the heart with strong courage. Inhale, lift the right leg up. As you exhale, bring your right knee to your right wrist. Pigeon pose. Take an inhale, walk your hands back, lift your heart space, stay there, or exhale, relax. Indulge a little bit in some nice deep breathing. Option to stay here, or walk your hands up. Use your right hand for support as you bend your left knee, maybe taking the foot to the crook of the elbow or towards the hand. If you feel stable here, interlace peace fingers with the option to move into mermaid pose. Release the bind. Extend that left leg back. Shift your hips to the side so our pelvis is open to the long edge of the mat, and move into revolved head to knee. Left palm to the left shin, right arm reaches up, or maybe eventually binding for the foot. Inhale, unwind. Frame your right knee as your left toes press. Pick your right knee in towards your chest and lift yourself up and back into three-legged dog. Exhale, either three-legged chaturanga or regular chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. And exhale into downward facing. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, pigeon pose. Tent your fingers back alongside the pelvis as you lift your heart space. And you can stay there or walk your hands forward. Relax. Stay here, or for mermaid pose, walk your hands up. Use your left fingertips for support as you bend your right knee, maybe taking the foot to the hand or the crook of the elbow towards the toes. If you wanted to take mermaid on this side, you can interlace your peace fingers as you draw that left elbow up and overhead. Release the bind, release the right leg back. Shift your hips to the side, so I'll turn to face you. So your left foot is towards the inner right thigh. Right hand in front of your right thigh as you reach those left fingertips up and over. maybe eventually towards the foot. And keep spiraling the chest open towards the ceiling. Inhale, rise. Frame your left knee so you can press your right toes into the earth. Lift the left knee into the chest. Lift up and back. Exhale, three-legged chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. And exhale, downward facing. Take a breath in. Exhale fully. And then inhale, step or jump through to boat pose. Shins parallel with the floor, or your legs can be extended. Bend your knees. Come to lay down on your back. Bend your knees and bring the soles of the feet together, with the option to take opposite hand to opposite elbow overhead. Opening the heart and the hips, maybe softly closing the eyes. Just noticing how it feels to breathe fully. You may feel this fresh energy circulating. And I like to imagine that this is how a wolf feels during the full moon. This energy is circulating the body. This energy has unlimited potential. And it's up for you to direct the flow of where this energy goes. Your heart is open. You're flooded with gratitude, loyalty to your friends, your family, loyalty to your pack. You're courageous, you're strong. You have already spent the last month cultivating strong foundations. Now is the time to let some of that energy out. Maybe even take a big sigh, or even a little version of a roar if you feel like it. Even a little howl at the moon if you feel like it. And then just gently release the elbows. Use your hands to guide your knees back through center. Give them a squeeze into the chest. And then release into Savasana. Release your arms. Let your body, your mind become still. And just observing the flow of energy. Internal fire may begin to radiate from your belly, through to your heart space, through to the rest of your body. Radiating warmth, power, potential. As you embody the wolf, just notice how it feels to have your deepest desires on the tips of your fingers. Please stay resting in your Savasana for another few minutes, enjoying the calm on this full wolf moon storm. I hope that you are able to utilize your energy in a way that serves your highest purpose, and I'm wishing you a wonderful transition through this cycle. Thank you all so much for joining me as you go forward, wishing you peace in your thoughts, your words, and your heart. Namaste.